Defining New Moon is set up pretty much the same way Defining Twilight was. The big difference is that you're going to get 320 new words plucked out of New Moon rather than taken out of Twilight. So let's talk about how to use this book. So just like Defining Twilight, there's going to be 40 4-page sections. Each section starts with a page of words taken right out of Twilight, or New Moon in this case. And I tell you what page in New Moon they're on. Now your job is you go to the page, that page on New Moon, and you read the word in context, based on the way the word is used. And usually the word is actually defined, or at least hinted at right there on the page. Based on the way it's used, you're going to come up with your own definition. I give you space to write that in. You're going to write your own definition for that word based on the way it's used. Now that's a great skill. The ability to cultivate the ability to define a word based on the way it's used is an invaluable skill, very valuable skill. It's a great skill to have for the SAT, for writing essays, for English class, for school, for work, just for life. It's a great skill to have. Okay, after you've done that for these 8 words, which is pretty fun because you get to page through, New Moon, your favorite book. Then on the next page of this 4-page chapter, I give you the definitions. So you can check your work, make corrections, revise it, whatever. Also, I give you memorization tools, things that help you memorize it. I give you synonyms. Let's say the word was like a mid-level word, like detest. Pretty good SAT word. Lots of you know it, some of you don't. For those of you who already knew the word, what I do then is I give you synonyms. I give you harder versions of the word. So you could take it to the next step. You could learn words that also mean hate, like detest does, but are even higher level SAT words for that, or ACT words for that. Then I'll give you drills that are similar to what you'll see on these standardized tests. And then finally, I'll give you solutions to the drills. Now these solutions also give you test-taking strategies, like particular really good tactical strategic things to use to improve your ACT score, SAT score, GED, SSAT, GRE, all these great tests that have these reading comprehension or analogy or sentence completion questions on it.